Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create or insert a subfolder into your folders via Adobe Bridge on your device, for example, using the Adobe Bridge file and folder manager. So let us guide you through it. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to Adobe Bridge, log into your Adobe account and select either folders at the top or workflow if you're working, for example, in that tab right now, which I'm doing. Anyways, you will see the folders overview also here on the left hand side for your device. Expand the given main folder or navigate to it. Right click into the given folder and select new folder. I will go, for example, with, I don't know, let's go with this one and choose new folder, and then expand the main folder, right click into the subfolder, and here you may, for example, choose rename, give it a name like subfolder, and then the subfolder will also be used and created on your device. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.